with the French regular verbs. Let's do the French regular verbs, and we're gonna skip to the other one, to the German one.
Bonjour à tous et merci d'être au retour sur French with Alicia. Today we are talking about verbs.
Look at how fast she speaks.
Et merci d'être au retour. Bonjour à tous et merci d'être au retour sur French with Alicia. Today we are talking about verbs of the second group. So I remind you that the verbs belonging to the first group are the one ending in ER. We saw most of the regular ones, so regarder, to watch, manger, to eat, étudier,
manger, eat,
to eat, étudier, to study. The main thing about these verbs was
studying.
The pronunciation. The singular was pronounced the same. Je, tu, il.
Je, tu, il.
Without S and il with S.
Yes.
So for example, travailler to work. I remind you that it works with je travaille.
Je travaille.
Tu travailles.
Tu travailles.
Final S that you don't hear. Il travaille.
Il travaille.
Written exactly the same as je
travaille.
Il travaille.
Il travaille.
Final S at il. And ENT that you never hear at the end of the verbs.
That's the same thing.
Written literally, ils travaillent, pronounced, il travaille.
Il travaille. It's the same thing. So literally, like I, he, she, they. It's pretty much the same.
The main thing about these verbs was the pronunciation. The singular was pronounced the same. Je, tu, il, without.
Je, tu, il, the same thing.
S,
so I, you, he, and they.
Il with S. So for example, travailler to work. I remind you that it works with je travaille.
Je travaille.
Tu travailles.
Tu travailles.
Final S that you don't hear.
Tu travailles.
Il travaille.
Il travaille.
Written exactly the same as je travaille.
Il travaille.
Il travaille.
Il travaille. Il travaille. Il travaille.
Final S.
Same thing, I guess.
And ENT that you never hear at the end of the verbs. So written literally, ils travaillent, pronounced, il travaille. That works for every single regular verb in ER. And these verbs are part of the first group, les verbes du premier groupe, régulier. One very famous irregular
first group regular
are part of the first group, les verbes du premier groupe, régulier. One very famous
les verbes du premier groupe. Régulier.
Irregular verb that you know by now in present simple is aller. Aller does not follow the normal conjugation.
Aller.
Aller does not follow the normal conjugation. Je vais, tu vas, il va.
Je vais, tu vas, il va.
Nous allons.
Nous allons.
Vous allez.
Vous allez.
Ils vont.
Ils vont.
So today, second group, they include the verbs ending in er.
Mm-hmm.
And you need to know how they work essentially with nous and vous. Because we have also, that's where it gets a little bit complicated. But we have verbs ending in er that are not part of the second group. They are included in the third group. And I will tell you why, obviously, later. Today we focus on the second group. So second group of one of the most classic verb in IR would be finir.
Finir.
To finish.
Finir.
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 So I will give you the conjugation at all the persons. Je finis.
Je finis.
F-I-N-I-S.
Je finis.
Tu finis.
Tu finis.
Written the same.
Tu finis.
Il finit.
Il finit.
Final T.
Il finit.
Il finit.
Il finit.
Same pronunciation. Je finis, tu finis, il finit.
Je finis, tu finis, il finit.
Okay, so with the verb of the second group, remember that we also have some identical pronunciation, but only with the singular. Then the plural has a different pronunciation. Je finis, tu finis, il finit.
Je finis, tu finis, il finit.
Then, nous finissons.
Nous finissons.
The very important part of that is the double S. Nous finissons. A double S is included in the plural.
And you don't say the S in the end.
Nous finissons.
Nous
a double
finissons.
S is included in the plural. And then the typical O-N-S ending, nasal sound. Nous finissons.
Nous finissons.
Vous finissez.
Vous finissez.
Double S again. Final
Vous finissez.
EZ. Finissez.
Finissez.
Pronounced E. And ils finissent.
Ils finissent.
You stop the pronunciation here at the double S, but you write the ENT, just like for the verb of the first group, that you never pronounce.
Yeah, it's a little complicated.
I repeat. Je finis.
Je finis.
Tu finis.
Tu finis.
Il finit.
Il finit.
Nous finissons.
Nous finissons because it's we.
Vous finissez.
Vous finissez because it's you.
Ils finissent.
Ils finissent. With ENT because it's they.
This.
And you're conjugating the verb, the regular verb.
Finis. Proof that you never pronounce. I repeat. Je finis.
Je finis.
Tu finis.
Tu finis.
Il finit.
Il finit.
Nous finissons.
Nous finissons.
Vous finissez.
Vous finissez.
Ils finissent.
Ils finissent.
This plural form with the double S included in the three persons in plural is typical of a regular verb of the second group, ending in ER. I give you some more. Choisir.
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 Following the structure of finir, we'll have je choisis, tu choisis,
Je choisis. Tu choisis.
il choisit,
Il choisit.
final S, S, and T,
Never
that you
say.
do not pronounce.
Yeah.
Nous choisissons,
Nous choisissons because it's we.
choisissons,
Choisissons.
Z, the first one is, you hear it, Z, because it's one S. The second is double S, so it's mute. Nous choisissons.
Nous choisissons.
Vous choisissez.
Vous choisissez.
Ils choisissent.
Ils choisissent. Ils choisissent.
Written, choisissent.
Choisissent.
That was to choose. Réfléchir. To
Réfléchir. Réfléchir.
think, to reflect, to contemplate.
Réfléchir.
Regular. Je réfléchis.
Je réfléchis.
Tu réfléchis.
Tu réfléchis.
Il réfléchit.
Il réfléchit. Réfléchit.
And careful with the plural. Nous réfléchissons.
Nous réfléchissons. Nous
Vous réfléchissez.
Vous réfléchissez. Réfléchissez.
Réfléchissent.
Ils réfléchissent. Ils réfléchissent.
One more. Actually, two more. Remplir. Is to fill in, because I think it can be useful.
Remplir.
Remplir, to fill in. To fill in a glass with water, to fill in a form with something.
Remplir.
Remplir, to fill in. To fill in a glass with water, to fill in a form
Amazing.
with something. To fill yourself in a metaphorical way with joy. Remplir. That works for many things.
Remplir.
Remplir is a regular verb in ER, second
What does it mean again?
To fill in a glass.
To feel. Not feel, but feel. Feel. You see, feel. My God. Fill up a cup.
To fill in a form.
Complete. Yeah, fill in a form.
To fill yourself in a metaphorical way with joy. Remplir. That works for many things.
Fill yourself with joy.
Remplir is a regular verb in ER, second group, so it works exactly the same.
Remplir.
We pronounce everything the same. Je remplis, tu remplis.
Je remplis. Tu remplis. Il remplit.
Remplis.
Il remplit. Il remplit.
S, S, and then T. Nous remplissons.
Nous remplissons.
Double S.
Nous
Nasal
remplissons.
sound. Nous remplissons.
Nous
Vous
remplissons.
remplissez.
Vous remplissez. Vous remplissez.
Ils remplissent.
Ils remplissent. Ils remplissent. Ils remplissent.
And the last one for today.
Oh my God, dude.
Grandir. To grow up.
Grandir. Grandir.
Grandir.
Grandir.
The
Grandir.
last one for today.
My God, dude.
Grandir.
Grandir.
To grow up.
Grandir.
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 Following the same structure. Je grandis, tu grandis.
Je grandis, je grandis, tu grandis, il grandit.
Il grandit.
Il grandit.
Nous grandissons.
Nous grandissons. Nous grandissons.
Vous grandissez.
Vous grandissez. Vous
Ils
grandissez.
grandissent.
Ils grandissent.
Short sentences.
My God.
Je finis le
Je finis
travail
le travail
à 18h.
18 heures.
Je finis
I finish work at 6 p.m.
le travail.
Okay, wait.
Short sentences. Je finis
Je finis
travail
le travail
à 18h.
à 18 heures. 18 heures. 18 heures. I finish work at 6
at
6 p.m. Yeah.
18h.
18 heures.
Tu choisis un cadeau pour...
Okay, wait.
Tu choisis.
Tu choisis
un cadeau
pour
son anniversaire.
Son anniversaire.
Pour son anniversaire.
You choose a present for his or her birthday.
You choose a present for her birthday. Or his birthday.
Yeah, you choose a present for her. Yeah.
Tu choisis un cadeau.
Tu choisis un cadeau.
Cadeau written K-D-A-O. You might probably see that written now. Cadeau. Tu choisis un cadeau pour son anniversaire.
Pour son anniversaire.
Il réfléchit à son avenir.
Il réfléchit à son avenir. What?
Il réfléchit à son avenir.
À son avenir.
He thinks about his future.
Oh my God, tell me about it.
Il réfléchit à son avenir.
À son avenir.
He thinks about
À son avenir.
his future. Il réfléchit à son avenir.
Il réfléchit à son avenir. Remplir. To fill a glass of water. Remplir.
Nous remplissons le formulaire.
Nous remplissons le formulaire.
We fill in the form. Nous remplissons le formulaire.
Nous remplissons le formulaire.
We fill in the form.
We're filling in the form. We're filling in the form.
Nous remplissons le formulaire.
Nous remplissons le formulaire.
We fill in the form.
Nous remplissons
le formulaire.
Le formulaire. Grandir.
Vous grandissez rapidement.
Vous grandissez rapidement.
Vous grandissez rapidement.
Rapidement. Vous grandissez rapidement. Vous grandissez rapidement. You grow up quickly. Oh my God. I'm even stuttering in English now. You grow up quickly. Hold up. You grow up quickly. Oh my God, dude. I can't even say it.
Grandir.
Vous grandissez rapidement.
You grow up quickly.
Vous grandissez rapidement.
That's it. You've got all the basics from the verbs of the second group in ER. Remember the double S.
That was so hard.
In plural with nous, vous, and il.
Nous, vous, il. We, you, they. Nous, vous, il. Good.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, guys, that was the class for French. The regular verbs, it was a pain in the ass for me because, oh my God, I stutter so much. But it's okay. Now we're gonna skip and go to the German one because I don't want to lose the focus. And then we're gonna comment a little bit later once we're done. Okay. Let's do the German now. So how are you?